Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is, JJ. You know, we back at like an addict no rehab, but you know, I'm addicted to give you guys advice. So, we're about to go pick up this car that I bought off of online. It's at this dealership located here in Oklahoma. So we're gonna drive out there, pick it up, see what I got myself into. Um, it's a Dodge Caravan that's supposed to be dropped off, and then it's a Chevy Malibu that's at the detail shop. It was really dirty, so when the got there, I just went right to the detail shop. So it should be at the detail shop by today or tomorrow. Uh, Wait for the caravan to get out. So hopefully they'll come this week. And that's the only thing. That's the only thing with buying cars off the line. That's the only thing. Like if they're not close to you, they're gonna take a while to get there because with the transport, the person's not gonna like if the car is if it's from here to maybe Houston or something, and yeah, it's only costing me 400 or something, and 500 to get it back. Nobody's not just going to make that one trip, especially not with the price of gas or anything. So they try to wait and get as many cars, try to see if this person's going to have like three cars coming just this one way, so it makes sense. So okay, if they're bringing three cars this way and it's 500 per car, that's a $1,500 trip. Instead of making one $500 trip, but really when they ain't gonna make no money. So that's the only thing about buying online. I understand why some people don't do it as often because you know if I buy the car at Oklahoma Auto Exchange, I can buy it, drive it, see what it's done, and get it. Like if it's good and everything, I can buy it and have it ready there tomorrow. If I buy it offline, you know, I'm gonna have to wait, and because then when you buy it offline, because usually when you buy it offline, you buy it out of state, so I have to wait for the car, and then I have to take it to get a VIN inspection too. You know, then I can only go off of what the person said. So that's the only thing about buying offline. It just takes a little bit longer for the car to get here. You know, you, you know. Sometimes they get here fast. Sometimes it's the next. Sometimes it's 2 days. Sometimes had a car get here the next day just because it was in Oklahoma, but it was like farther out in Oklahoma. It was like 3 hour drive that I didn't want to go pick it out, so pick it up. But yeah, we have to go pick up this car, man. Well, we're riding in a Ford, man. Riding in that Ford Lemon.
Oh yeah, you putting gas in there?
I got.
Yeah, it need about a 20.
I got like 7.
7 will get us down.
Oh yeah, 7 gonna get us down the street. That's all we going is down the street. Gas is crazy. Water gas. I feel like this gas they got now. I feel like reading a lot of gas is expensive, man. This is man-made gas, man. They making this gas. They really, they went over there and started the war just so they can man make this gas and get all that money they want it back. All them stimulus checks, all that PPP people that PPP loans and scams and all that stuff that people did. Now they start manufacturing their own gas because even when you go to the gas station, I know I ain't the only one noticing. Like usually when you pump gas, you pump the gas and you smell your hand, you like, dang, I got that gasoline smell on my hand. When you pump this gas, or even when you go to a gas station, you don't even get that gasoline smell. Like you don't even, or even when you pump your gas, you don't even smell like, usually gasoline, you pop your thing and there's vapors and you smell it like you can smell the gasoline. You don't even like it. Don't matter if you pumping 100% ethanol gas. It's like this gas is man-made or something. Cause I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. When y'all pumping y'all gas, do y'all smell the gas? Like usually when you pump gas got that strong smell. Like boom, it's like hit your nose like, and you smell it. It don't matter if you pumping ethanol, 100% gas. Even if you wait, like usually like you grab the hose and then you hit, and sometimes the gas didn't come all the way out, so it splashed in your car. You don't even get that smell. You don't even see the vapors coming off the gas and stuff like that. Usually like gas, you see like the vapors and stuff. I feel like this gas is like man-made. Like they came up with the formula on how to make gas, and now they just this will make your car run, but this gas ain't lasting because it ain't lasting. It's expensive, all that. That's just my thought. The gas is man-made now. Because I'm like, I ain't never. And then you go to like these places, you ain't never seen a fuel truck at these places so often. Like these places is running out of fuel. Like these fuel trucks is coming rapidly. Like usually the fuel truck maybe come once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks or something like that. And now these fuel trucks is coming. Like, man, this old man-made gas, old man-made 90% water. And it's probably about 30% water. Probably 15% water, probably about a smooth 20% alcohol, and then whatever the other chemicals to make up gasoline. But I don't know. We about to go pick up this car. Alrighty. Yeah, I don't need the power drive. I'll pull it to the front, and I'll do a walk around of it. Let y'all see what we got. This thing ain't got no gas. Need some gas. Definitely need some gas. I don't know why this AC thing is on. I ain't got none of that. And my wallet. I'm gonna need some gas. My motherfucker ain't got no gas. Huh? What? Yeah, it's got a little mist to it. A little mist. Let's see what we got. We got the double sunroof on this minimum. Let's go get some gas. We'll get some gas. Screechy. Need some gas though. Vacuum. The on key right there. But there should be a gas station like on this corner. Stop at the on key and get some gas. We'll look at it more when we get to the on key. So far, so good. I mean, I can tell when they said they had a little wobble. I can tell why, because the back tires is good, but the front ones ain't no good. So somebody just got originally changed too. And I'll do a walk around, but I forgot that I didn't have no tag on the back, so I'm trying to get out in like the Edmond area, is like the uppity area, and you know, it's a bunch of cops and stuff like that, and I don't have my dealer tag, and not trying to get pulled over, so I'm trying to get out of this area as quick as possible. So we're going to go to the lot, and then I'll do the full walk around when we get to the lot, and then we can go from there. But this dealer, but I told him like, I built it. So the good thing about it, I got to build a connection with the people, like the managers there, while I was sitting there talking. So I was like, if y'all get any little just cars that's cheaper on a wholesale on a cheaper end, you know, just give me a call. You know, their dealership is only like 20 minutes away from my dealership. I mean, because it's literally straight highway. Like, really, that's all it is, just straight highway to get from my dealership to their dealership. Literally, it's like probably like a mile of road, maybe like 1 mile of road, then directly highway to get from there to here. So I told them, let me know. So if they can, if not, you know, just post them on back lots, and I'll be the one to bid. And then I told them, like, when I bid, I'll just give y'all a call and just let y'all know, like, hey, I bid on that one. You know, can y'all make that deal happen? If not, like I said, I'll walk around at the lot, but I'm hitting 40, and I don't see the wobble that they're talking about, but I can tell, like, you know, it needs some tires on the front. But like I said, I'll walk around when I get to the shop. stop sign. Moving slowly. Yeah, let me get up out of this area. Definitely shouldn't be on my phone doing it, but okay. Alrighty, so we made it back. It's got a little hole in the carpet, but nothing some mess can do. I didn't see the shaking that the dude, the wobbling the dude was talking about. Maybe because I look at it now that this back tire is a little low, so maybe that's probably why he was trying to get it up to speed, and it, because the tire was a little low, so maybe that was the reason. Outside door handle doesn't work, so I have to get that fixed. AC blows cool, but it's not blowing cold. Interior is not really bad, just need a good vacuuming and wiping it down. We'll let y'all look at it. So that tire's up there, basically boiled, so I try to find some tires. Oh well, maybe it's just that one tire, because this one got good tread on it, so that's probably why it was wobbling. But you got one, okay, you got a little dent right there, we ain't too worried about that. So you got one really good meaty tire, that's probably what caused it to wobble. And then this one is a little low, so I guess they was kind of trying to do some type of rotation. So we got two and a possible. We got one bald one, so that's probably what made it wobble. That one being bald. So that one being bald. Yeah. Damage right there. Tire low again. So let's open. So that opens as the original Isuzu. Let's say get that fixed. Check the AC. Probably just needs to be charged. Find me a tire or two, maybe probably about $150 more into it. $200, no more. Let me know in the comment section what you think I can sell it for. Got the double sunroof. I paid $500 for it, so $500 plus the buyer fee, so $550 total. So if I put $150 in it, I have $700 in it. I probably won't even need $150 because I can fix the door handle myself. I could probably find some good used tires for like $30. 2 good used tires. I might just only need one. Might just only need one, so that's $30, and then buy a couple cans of Freon on my Walmart card, then charge up my AC. Hey, what more can you ask for? But let me know in the comment section below what you think I can sell it for. Me, I just like to keep cars like that, make them. I like those as quick flip cars, these, I like them You know, like this Buick, I got it posted. You know, it might take the right person that's gonna bring 3,000, 3,500 or something. Right person bring 3,000, 3,500. But people are always looking for a $1,500 car. You know, $2,000 and under car. So people are always looking for $2,000 under cars. When you start getting to 3,500, 4,000, it takes a while. You know, it takes a while for that person to see it and comes up. So I like this one. This will be a quick little flip car. Make me a quick little $1,000. You know, boom. You know, 16, 1,700. Let me know in the comment section what you'll sell it for. It's 2001 Isuzu Rodeo. I'm gonna fix the AC. Little dual sunroof action. Really bad. And they got seat covers on, so the seat was protected. Got a winter in sports mode. Fires right up. Vacuums out. Close these. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting that these. Keep forgetting that these. Just like that. Big double sunroofage. So charge up the AC. Yeah. Charge up because it broke too. And I check all the fuses and stuff. Didn't have any service lights on. It's 60 on the highway. It's pretty good. It didn't feel like any wobbling, but I know it's gonna. That's probably, like I said, a little wobbling is probably due to the tire. But other than that, we're gonna get this one ready. Have it ready probably by Monday. And then sell it. You know, it's here in Oklahoma, so I know the title is Oklahoma. It's an Oklahoma title. It's an Oklahoma green title, so the title's here in Oklahoma. So I can just get it ready and then sell it. Simple, easy. Peace. I'm out. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm out.